Say hi
Hi.
to the world.
Hi, world. Hey, world, I'm Zarel. I usually have energy, but right now I just want my mommies to let me nap. Right here. Right here, nap time. How's your puppy life going so far? Tell us about it.
It's going good. She is a whole 9 weeks old now, right?
Yeah.
And she's learned so many things. She's learning about so many different kinds of playing. She's learned all kinds of things that make her happy, from snuggles, to treats, to doing the right thing, to car rides. She loves car rides. She gets put to sleep so easily on car rides.
It's good because she's going to have a lot of car rides to dog training.
Yeah. And on adventures, because you're going to be our little adventure dog, aren't you?
You have a leaf hanging out of your hair.
Me?
Yeah.
Oh. We match. I have leaves all over me at this point. Oh my god.
Here, you gotta look at the camera.
I know. Well, there's a puppy. How do you not look at the pup? Look at that.
Yeah, the second you look away from the camera.
Here we go. Now we can look at both of you. Look at her. She's wearing my bandana, one of my hair bandanas. Because I do that lesbian thing. Ow! Hey, come here. Come here.
You wanna explain why you keep going out?
Oh yeah, so with puppies, when they're really young, they learn, they don't necessarily learn to not bite yet, but they learn how hard they should bite different things. So when puppies play with each other, what they'll do is they will engage, nibble, and then once one of them nibbles too hard, the other one will shriek, make a little ow, and then it'll turn away and stop playing for like the 6-second puppy attention span, and it'll come back and play again. And so dogs use that interaction to do, it's called, I think it's like jaw strength, like resistance, but they basically calibrate how hard they should bite different things. And so basically with dogs and people, you basically want to teach them that people are like the most delicate little baby flowers on the face of the planet. So anytime they ever, even if it's like you barely feel it, touch you with a closed mouth with their teeth, you just go ow, and you take your hand away, and you stop engaging until their puppy attention span goes back, and then you go and re-engage with them. And it teaches them that, you know, this is what they should be doing if they actually want to keep playing. Then later in their life, you can get to like, how about we just don't nibble on people at all? But at the very least, right, you can get them to never actually bite anyone. So Ral, nope. Nope, we don't eat the ground. We don't eat bricks. We don't eat carpet. We don't eat rocks.
Or shower drain.
Or asphalt or shower drain. We tried to eat the shower drain when I was when I was taking her in the bathroom with me the other day. Uh-oh. Here you go. Let's get you right side up.
Off she goes.
Such a good girl.
She hasn't even discovered like half the yard yet.
No. She's just in this little corner of it.
She's pretty content to stay pretty close to us.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, she doesn't really want to go too far yet. We're still working on getting her cum super solid. And then we can play long range fetch, which will make it a lot easier to tire her out. Because right now she doesn't have that down yet, but when she does, then it'll be a lot less chasing, and we can just take her out here and throw a ball like 20 times, and then she'll go down for a nap. Which will make things a lot easier. I think someone has to pee again. She pees a lot. Like way more than I remember dogs peeing. It's just because she's a puppy. Zarel! Zarel, oops!
Hi, Zarel.
I don't know if she's seen me really before like this.
Hey, Zarel. I'm like, yo, let's do it together, Mom. Hey. Yeah, you want to stretch out together?
Good girl. Yes. Yes. Good roll. Yes. She's so cute. That's right. Does she think this is perfect as I do?
Look how much love she's giving you.
Ow! What does that sound?
Which one?
Hear the low buzzing?
Have you played Animal Crossing?
It just got very loud.
Oh.
That's your mom's. Don't chew on it.
If you get older and the worst thing you do is chew on fallen leaves, your mom's not gonna be mad at you. I feel like a pretty good mom. Leaves are the worst drug you do in your teenage years.
Something tells me she's gonna try eating more things than just leaves.
Oh, yes, she will. Yes, she will, won't you?
Ow! Hi, baby. Hi. 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 Yes. You're the best little baby.
I haven't done this outside in so long. I forgot we have such good shade in our yard.
Oh, this camera's really good.
Worth it.
I mean, even if
Get it?
just to film cute videos of our puppy, yes.
Like those parents, they get a camcorder when they have a baby.
I mean, that's literally what we did.
Oh, yes.
Yes. Hey, pup, pup, pup. Zarel, where are you off to? I'm scared for the day she discovers we have a river. Something tells me she's gonna love the water.
I know.
No, we'll want to take her swimming in the summer.
Yeah, we will.
Next summer,
We can go to a lake. There's a bunch of lakes around here.
Yeah, but next summer maybe she'll be pool dog.
You know, I don't know if our pool's dog safe because it has a fabric like solid liner, and because you could scratch a hole in it. So we'll have to see.
I mean, she could, but we could also still take her.
It's true.
Hi, Zarel.
Yeah.
Zarel, come here. Zarel, come. Hi, little one.
Ball. He played tennis at one point. Ow! He did loud.
But mommy.
Ow! 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 Nope.
See, that time she figured it out. She's like, oh, I hurt you. Okay.
We're working on reinforcing her name, which she's got mostly down, but getting her to the point where not only does she like respond to her name, but she looks at you whenever you say her name, because that's important. We're also working on, it's less for her class, I think more for life, we're working on getting her to come, but we're also mostly for class this week working on sit and stand and lie down. And she's been doing really great at sit and stand, and she hasn't figured out the expectation with lie down yet, and it makes her really frustrated and kind of want to quit. So we try to save that one towards the end of the training session, but I think I want to start with that one next time, or maybe make it the second one when she gets that she will actually get treats for something.
Hi, Zarel.
She did it once in class and hasn't since then. Good potty, Zarel.
Zarel, come here.
Zarel, come. We literally had to try, like, for 3 days to come up with something to tell her as a potty reinforcement thing, because eventually you can just tell her that command and then she'll pee when she's older, which is an important thing for public access, because like there might be like a little tiny pad of grass and she has to pee in that exact spot. They need to relate pee to a thing and go and potty to a word. But we go pee time and stuff like that all the time to each other, and so we eventually settled that potty time was a good and good potty were the two we'd save for the dog, but it was a hard decision. She's so pretty.
She really is. Hi, Zarel.
Zarel,
Come.
Zarel, come. She's like, no, Mom.
She's not scared of anything. Yeah. Zarel, come. Good, come. Good, come. Good, come. She's doing so good for us having her like 4 days.
4 days. She's learned all of this in 4 days, which is impressive. Like, I know she doesn't respond on the first try, and she doesn't always do everything on the first try, but like, she's been alive for 9 weeks, and she's been with us for half of one of those weeks, and she's already gotten all of this down. She's gotten a lot of, she already has figured out how to move around a wheelchair for the most part. She's figured out where her leash tends to get stuck, and she's starting to figure out how to avoid it.
She's done better than our cat does.
Yeah.
With those things.
I am incredibly impressed. She's very smart. Very, very smart. But she
You
also
say
likes to eat these.
As she's eating leaves. Zarel. She really likes these treats we bought, so we ripped them up into little pieces, and she loves those. Oh, little silly girl.
Oh, do you want to go get that blue stick toy we have? See if we can get her to run.
Look at this. Go.
Get it! Good girl! Zarel, come!
Oh, so
Zarel, come.
good.
Zarel, give it! Good girl! Ready? Zarel! Get it!
That was the end of that game.
You're learning. I'm so proud. You did a whole rep. A whole rep. Give it, get it.
Oh, yeah, she wants the stick for the toy.
Yeah, that's why I was thinking we should get her the other one that she can chew, we can throw, and she can pick up and run around with. Or we can get her an actual stick.
She does love actual sticks.
Because I don't want her to eat this.
Here. Ah, something flew into my hair.
It's just a little fly.
That was a big fly. Zarel, let's get the ball. Look what we have. Look what we have. Let's get it to Mommy. Come on. Oh, yeah, that's engaging. There you go. Here, Zarel. Zarel. Zarel.
Get it. Good, get it, Zarel. Good, get it. Zarel, come. Zarel.
But
She's learning. Zarel, come. Zarel, come.
let's give this to Mommy. There.
Zarel. Zarel. Get it. Good, get it.
Good, get it.
Get it. Oh. Zarel, come.
She got halfway there.
Mom, you're taking away the thing I wanted to chew on.
Good, get it.
Come on, come, Zarel. Good,
Good.
come. Zerel? Get it.
Oh, she's
Good, get it.
getting that one.
She's learned that get it means go to it, put it in my mouth. Alright, Zerel, come.
She thought about it. Try again.
Zerel, come. Zerel, come here. Zerel, come. You looked, that's good. Zerel, come. She's like, I'm already here, Mom. What's the difference? A couple inches. Feel of it.
This is like the cat.
Ready? She's like, that's cheating, Mom. Zerel! Zerel! Ready? We're gonna try farther. Zerel! Get it!
Go.
She's not watching. She's not ready.
Now, get it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get it. Right here. Get it. Get it.
Yeah. Toss it a little bit closer.
Get it.
Zerel, get it!
Oh, good. Get it. I got my ball. That's all that matters.
Can be any word for anything, as long as it's used consistently and she's trained in it. Alright, Zerel? Zerel? Good, give it. Good, give it. Thank you, good, give it. Good, give it. There you go. Zerel? Good, get it. Good, give it. Good, give it. You want to try a different one? She doesn't know one. Let's take a break from training. Do you think she enjoys training?
I think so.
Oh, Zerel? Good, give it. Good, give it. No. Good, give it. Good. I want you to feel like you did good.
You did so
You
good.
did so good. I'm so proud of you.